Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I will start with today's show. All right, so Patrick Vieira will be one of the Arsenal legends. So Babakon talk say Jhon Duran will play for Aston Villa is the right player to take Arsenal to the next level. Baba talk plenty, as you can see from the reports put out by the Metro. He said he's the right player. Patrick Vieira urges Arsenal to sign Aston Villa player Duran. Now, when you read the story, Baba say they encourage Arsenal to explore a transfer move for Jhon Duran, arguing that the player is the right player to take Arsenal to the next level up front. So, as it stands now, remember, say Arsenal get many striker where they refine because everybody knows, say, apart from say maybe Kayava they do your own thing, we still need some people to come in and assist in what we do here. Now, Baba talk say in love the performances of Jhon Duran against Bayern Munich for the Champions League, and he's the right player for Arsenal. He's quick, he's unselfish, he's solid in the air, he's technically gifted, he's skilled, and he's intelligent in his movements. Now, the next question will enter my head be say, if he is all this, why you never feel usurp Ole Watkins? Because this guy, he never did first 11 for Aston Villa. Like now, just my response was stimulus. Like my response directly within the talk. Like the way I just think I'm saying, why this guy never feel replaced with the Watkins for the number one? If indeed this good like this, or maybe Unai Emery just prefer Ole Watkins. But on a softer note, or on a lighter note, what do you even think about this Jhon Duran? Because nobody be the first person you don't mention this guy name. Many people don't already link him with Arsenal. Say Arsenal like the way the guy they play. He's an interesting fellow. He's fast, and the guy is got some kind of screamer. In fact, that screamer I be waiting even attracts me to the guy. The guy they bomb shots from outside. So, let me know what you really think about this Jhon Duran. And let's not forget, we don't enter a new month of November. Today is 1st of November. So happy new month, my dear Arsenal lovers. So I say, may God keep us alive, make all of us see the new year. And any project we don't start from the beginning of the year, we don't do even from last month to we'll never complete this month at J. We'll complete them and you're going to get favors in Jesus' name and inshallah. Now, this brings me to another interesting topic where Asemu could treat. Now, one of our community members entered my DM and he says, CHUKS, the toxicity in your community is becoming too much. So you get people even invite, maybe they come to watch our show, and if they come for the comment section, if they put out their opinion, some people go attack them, insult them. And nobody be the first person don't tell me that thing. Some people say don't ring down for my ear, which was why, if you remember, if I cast your mind back, there was the time I said, when you see somebody insulting your father, insulting your mother, insulting you for your opinion, please tag me because we don't want that type of thing in this our community. When me gone, I dey receive all those insults, and I don't go lie for you, I dey block. It's sad because you are showing your childishness by attacking me personally. Make I give you instance. This is the one matter because I say make them wait, make the guy get gradual integration. And how many people don't insult me, gone. And that is bad. When somebody give a contrary opinion to you, don't insult the person directly. Attack the opinion. If like I don't know how many times I go ring them, so I don't make this video too long, so I talk about this for a long time. The solution, I don't talk on before. When you make an opinion, you are right. It's your opinion, it's your right to make an opinion, even though opinions can be right and wrong. I can challenge your opinion. Let us debate it. Not that because I challenge your opinion, you'll come insult my father or insult my mother or tell me I don't get sense or this one. No, let us debate the issues. Football is an emotional sport, so emotions are going to rise, normal, but still maintain them in a civil way. If anybody see any insult, I beg, tag me. Say person insult person, papa, mama, you go do this, tag me, I beg. Tag me. My phone number is out there. Everybody get my phone number. Screenshot and send them to me. We don't want those type of behavior in our community. I beg. If we be only 10, where they argue normal, where they debate ourselves normal, no they insult our father or our mother or our children or anything. Make we do like that. That will get 1 million. Everybody toxic. I beg. I just say make I send that note of warning today. I beg. So let's proceed. Now, for the Carabao Cup, we Arsenal play against Crystal Palace. You know, say yesterday I was saying I know really they sure whether na home and away or whether na for Wembley they go play. I said it was Wembley, but I stand to be corrected, and people can't let me know say CHUKS now woman the way that they do and 2-legged. I say now only the final that they play for Wembley. So I say make I bring up that issue, make I let people know say this Carabao Cup will go play the Crystal Palace now woman away. Now we'll go play for the semi-final in case you get. So anyhow we be I want for the semi-final now home and away. So I say make I let people know because I mentioned something like that. So now on to the next story. So somebody died for Southampton, you get. So it's all about the stadium safety. They don't put all this rail where they guide person in the worker, so the person can't fall down, can't die. So we just raise all this matter because as if we even don't know be asked happen to, but it can happen to anybody. Now the year say they don't call police. Now maybe they feel sue Southampton to court safe. Only God knows. So well, I will just pray say the person will die may his or her soul rest in perfect peace. Now on a sad note. Now today Ateta go do press conference. Don't forget today's Friday. Ahead of the match we will play tomorrow. So for that press conference, we will get clarity, especially on the things where Chris Sutton talk yesterday when he said Gabriel Jesus no go play. Say sure for him. So we'll get clarity from Ateta. And some people don't even tell me say CHUKS. You see this Chris Sutton, I bet no they give us the news. That guy did too negative on some things. You know the essence of bringing all these things. Now for you to know what other people they talk, and we will come offer our own opinion, and you have opportunity to comment on it. We can't only be reporting only positive things about Arsenal. Yet some kind of time say Gary Neville said go talk, some kind of maybe say if you hear I go vex. Carragher said go talk, some kind of maybe say if you hear I go vex. We see guys bring everything to the front. We could deliberate on that. Now so it be. Even for Talk Sports self, they will always raise up one controversial issue when one person talk, they will come deliberate on that. So now normal level. So making it and they enter you too much. Get so it they happen like that sometimes. I just better calm down. Now, we're going to get another report where they talk say this move where Ruben Amorim, they move to Manchester United, say the thing will benefit Arsenal in a big way. And in fact, when you hear stories like this, the first thing will come your mind now, big way how? Now, the big way they're going to talk about now in terms of Victor Gyökeres, because they believe say now this guy, now then they hold Victor Gyökeres down. So they say Amorim's potential appointment has given Arsenal a real boost. The Gunners have long been tracking Sporting ace Victor Gyökeres, with the Express noting back in September that they would have to pay 85 million. Although that 85 million, they say it already bring them down. They don't mind not 30 million for that money now. So based on say Manchester United when they go, because the Amorim said don't confirm, say yes, I'm on my way to Manchester United. Fabrizio Romano said don't confirm, say man you don't sort out the money, the release clause about 8 million or thereabouts. So if you go there, you don't get 2 striker already. You won't consign with the Kids Congender. So that's the issue. So we'll just watch through. I hope. Say this boosts with Jello like he materialize. I just hope. Because for the summer now, I think I'm going to spoil his options. In the pursuit of Vlahovic, in the pursuit of Benjamin Sesko, in the pursuit of Gyökeres, and we can only get one. Because I think that one that they look for. So more just see at the end of the day. If you don't still be Gyökeres, so if it be Benjamin Sesko, if it not still be Benjamin Sesko, if it be Vlahovic, and if it still not be Vlahovic. So we never really know. Now the one way they give us. But I don't say Benjamin Sesko, Gyökeres, they are still okay. Vlahovic gone. Instead of they try, you get no be all of them, there's still room for improvement. But I don't say fans' favorites. Now be that Gyökeres. So I want to just watch it. Anyhow, we go support Ateta. Now, based on what Ateta they talk about this cup, talk about Gabriel Jesus, Ateta said the goal Gabriel Jesus score for that Carabao Cup play. So you don't already unlock another level for where Gabriel Jesus did. Based on say the last time we score for us now January. So they look say okay, from January to now you don't score. Now we say you don't score. From now moving forward, it would be ready to go. Even Gabriel Jesus, if you look at him talks, he say he knows say the reason make Ateta know the player that because he know they score goals. You get say now he want to focus on goals. When I say that, it doesn't make me laugh. But it is what it is. Even Martinelli, if you remember, Martinelli went about 16, 17, 18 games without scoring. When he come back and start to score, since then, don't say he don't become a better player. Even though people are saying that because of what is it they call him, Calafiori, I make Martinelli better. So that one said the. Now this other story now, it one they call the single out one Arsenal attacker for praise, and I was mentioning Martinelli say. He believe Martinelli die for one-on-one. Any one-on-one like this, Martinelli will lick that person like a pot of soup. Say Martinelli good, get so now waiting in the top because say Martinelli is sharp, he comes top at one-on-ones, he's got a little bit of a ball roll also. But the thing is, for match, we don't really see that take on. You see the way Saka they take on defend, like Saka no they shy away from taking on defenders. You know they fear say what if they collect ball from my hand like as Sterling they do. Sterling go hold ball, you know go one go miss defender, go be like say they fear, go pass go back like I don't want to do mistake on. They may not be like say na my hand the ball to spoil. They get all those kinds of things. Now waiting Sterling they do. So we don't really see Martinelli like see the way Saka they take on players. At least 2 of them be paddy now. Me they learn from her for training. Again, now what's me? I they expect to see, but at the end of the day, we know they see all those kind of things. So that one self day. Now, one Chelsea legend. When they come and second, they confess. When they say, see, so Thierry is supposed to don't collect Ballon d'Or. Because now when they talk about Ballon d'Or controversies and all whatnot, why some kind of people be say they deserve the award, they merit and they know they collect them. So like Drogba, like they talk this thing. Drogba when they explain, say Thierry should have won the award, like he deserved it like 10 times. Thierry scored 360 goals and 173 assists in 794 appearances in all competitions throughout his career. Thierry is seen as like one of the best players in Premier League, if not the best that ever played in the Premier League. Because this guy did so much. Look at what he did for Arsenal. Look at what for the famous Invisibles. Look at what he did for Barca, what he did for Juventus, among others. Now, Drogba can explain, say the Ballon d'Or. You know, say Ballon d'Or is being voted for by 100 journalists. Now, all these 100 journalists, they get their own favorites. So during every time, when they do the voting finish, now Nedved now win the first place for the Ballon d'Or, and Henry can carry second. You get if you get another time where you say Henry carry second, carry fourth, Shevchenko carry first. But look at this Nedved on in 2003. Nedved collect first place, Henry collect second. But that 2003, Henry scored 32 goals, give 28 assists across 55 appearances, won the FA Cup, won the FIFA Confederations Cup, while Nedved only scored 14 goals and 3 assists in 47 appearances and just win the Serie A. And they lose Champions League final, but they still give them. For you to know, say, most of all these things, no be who really merit and who really deserve that they give. As long as say voting don't involve bias good day. Shebi one of the people who vote against Vinicius Junior, we say him pick Rodri. What's the reason? We Fabrizio Romano the poster. He say not like Vinicius Junior personality. Are you asked to vote on his personality or vote on his performance on the pitch? That's where bias the day. And some of all these things on face value, when you look and say, okay, it's their votes, but on the ground, they feel they lobby all these things. They feel they lobby. So because when you look at somebody like Henry, for the glamorous career when he gets, Henry no win Ballon d'Or. Like it is heartbreaking. But it is what it is. I like the fact that Drogba come and when they address all these things. They happen. Now, Daily Mail, when they reveal why Arsenal's home Carabao Cup tie against Crystal Palace is causing a huge problem for Arsenal. And for now, we never really get solution. Now, what's it cause this problem? That week, we will go play this Carabao Cup tie with Crystal Palace. That week, the midweek, Arsenal women go play Champions League against, I think, Bayern for the Emirates Stadium. I know so this season now, we don't give Arsenal women the Emirates Stadium as their home ground. So when you look at that week, Crystal Palace go play league match on Monday. Arsenal get Crystal Palace that same week for midweek on Wednesday. We get them for the cup. Then for the weekend on Saturday, we still get Crystal Palace again for league. But because the Arsenal women will play on Wednesday, so they never know how they will take fix all this fixture. Make I explain that to you. They say Arsenal are facing a fixture headache, which involves their Men's League Cup quarterfinal and Women's Champions League group game. The women are to host Bayern Munich at the Emirates Stadium on Wednesday, December 18. Now, the League Cup quarterfinals take place that same midweek. Now, this Mikel Arteta aside, they don't give them the home cup draw against Crystal Palace. So when you look at all these various scenarios, Crystal Palace, we can look for that picture. That picture where they put all the fixtures. Now, look at now. On Monday, December 18, Brighton go play Crystal Palace, Premier League. On Tuesday, nobody go play anybody. But we cannot beg Crystal Palace, say, okay, based on say our women go play on Wednesday, say we go play on Tuesday. You know, go make sense because Crystal Palace just play on Monday. They no go fit come play on Tuesday again. Now, Tuesday is out of it. Wednesday, December 18, Arsenal women go play Bayern for the Emirates Stadium. Thursday, Arsenal no go fit play because they play on Saturday. So it no go make sense to play on Thursday. They will come rest one day. They will come play Crystal Palace again on Saturday. It no make sense. Now on Friday, we no fit play Friday, play Saturday. So Saturday now we play. So as it be like this now, we never really know how we take play that League Cup. Now when they talk say okay, whether they go beg the Arsenal women, make them shift their game, come out for the Emirates Stadium, go play for their old ground. Because now this season we just move them to Emirates Stadium now. Whether we'll go play there, but we can't even hear say as it stand like this now, that their old ground, the Bournemouth Middle Park, say they fit to host UEFA competition according to stadium regulations. Meet stadium regulation. So it is either our match against Crystal Palace in the League Cup is postponed, or our match in the EPL is postponed. One of the two, something must give. So for now, nobody really know how the matter will go. So anyhow, if they bring solution to this matter, Shola Adeye, I will let you know. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you enjoyed the show, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow our content so that our page will go wide and wide and wide and reach more people. So the biggest news of the day, now the first Patrick Vieira, who's an Arsenal legend, they advise Arsenal they go sign Jhon Duran of Aston Villa. That is the right player to take us to the next level. The guy, they fast, they skillful, they strong, and they good in the air. And for me, in the air bomb for leg. So that's why they advise us to go sign. I'm on the final notes. I beg, make we stop to the insult people based on their opinion for the comment section. Me gone I debate many people. You won't see me one day tell you say you don't get sense, or you don't the craze, or you mad, or you shaking. No, all those behavior, I beg moku throw around for inside gutter, and gutter behavior be that. Moku come out, I beg. Now I beg this. I beg I beg because by the time somebody screenshot your comments, come give me where they cause person papa, person mama, baba, I don't come out for the community. That means you tell me say, Satus, I don't want to belong to your community. I like insulting people. Don't get triggered to insult somebody's family or the person personally. Attack that opinion when talk. Bring a superior argument to show that person that what you are saying is not actually right. My own position is the right one. And as you do so, may God bless you. So, my dear Arsenal lovers, I think this is a fine place for us to call the show an end. So, till I come your way later in the evening to give you the evening news. So then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Not get out. All right, guys. Bye-bye.